Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mission Not So Impossible. This week I'm bringing you some Dollar General deals for Saturday, January 3rd. You can do these deals any day of the week. You're just going to save the most money on Saturday with the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. So let's go ahead and get into the deals. First, you want to pick up one of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. They are $5.50. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3.50. Next, you want to pick up two of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners. They are $2.95 each. Two of them are going to be $5.90. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3.90. Next, you want to pick up one of the Febreze small spaces for $3.50. We have a $2.50 coupon, making it $1. Next, you want to pick up one of the Tide liquids or the pods for $9.95. We have a $1.50 manufacturer coupon and a $2 off store coupon that are going to stack together, making it $6.45. Next, you want to pick up one of the Bounce dryer sheets for $2, and you want to grab one of the Bounce dryer sheets for $1. They're over in the dollar section. This is going to add $3 to our total, which is going to get our total up high enough to use it for the 5 off of 25 on Saturday. You could substitute these items if you don't need these items. So the total for all of these items before coupons is $27.85 plus tax. So then we have that $2 store coupon coming off for the Tide, making our total $25.85. So we still qualify for that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $8 in manufactured coupons coming off, making our total $12.85 plus tax for all 7 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up two of the Always pads. They're normally $5.75 each. When you buy two, it's going to make them $10 for two. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $7. Next, you want to pick up two of the Tampax. They are normally priced at $5.75 each. When you buy two, it's going to make them $10 for two. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $7. Next, you want to pick up one of the VitaFusion vitamins. They are $6.50. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $3.50. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26.50 plus tax. So then we have the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $9 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $12.50 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Dawn Power Wash refills for $4. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $2. So one thing I wanted to mention was later on when I was looking around my store, I saw one of the Dawn Power Wash sprays on an end cap. They had a bunch of them with the Cascade dishwasher pods attached to it. It was like a sample pack that had 3 pods in the pack. So that's going to make the deal $1 more, but I feel like if that's something you could use, that would be worth the extra dollar. So you could use that in this deal as well, and that $2 coupon would apply. Next, you want to pick up one of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners for $2.75. We have a 50-cent coupon, making it $2.25. Next, you want to pick up one of the Gain Tango scent beads for $4.50. We have a $2 off store coupon, making it $2.50. Next, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents. They are $5. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3. Next, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft toilet paper for $6.35. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $5.35. Next, you want to pick up one of the Energizer batteries, either the AA's or the AAA's. They are $5.50. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $2.50. So the total for all of these items before coupons is $28.10 plus tax. So then we have that $2 store coupon coming off for the Gain Tango scent beads, making our total $26.10. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $8.50 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $12.60 plus tax for all 6 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Irish Spring Body Wash. They are $5.35. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3.35. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders shampoo for $5 each. 2 of them would be $10. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $7. Next, you want to pick up one of the Gillette men's razors for $9.25. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $6.25. So next we're going to be picking up one of the dollar items out of the dollar aisle. There's lots of different options. I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these bar soaps and put that into the deal, so that's going to add $1, but you could definitely substitute this out for a different item. We were just about 40 cents short, so I just wanted to go ahead and throw a dollar item into this deal. So the total for all of these items before coupons is $25.60 plus tax. So then we had that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $8 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $12.60 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 4 bags of the Lay's potato chips. They are on sale this week for $2.25 a bag. You do have to buy 4 of them to get them at the sale price, so that's going to be $9 for 4 bags, but you are saving $6.80 with this deal. So for this next deal, you want to pick up 4 boxes of the General Mills cereal. They're on sale this week, 4 for $8. You could get all of the same or you could mix and match. So we have a $1 off coupon that's going to make it $7. And then we also have a $1 cash back. You could clip that as well. Just with the sale alone, you are saving $7.40. So I feel like this is a really good deal for cereal. Next, you want to pick up one of the Kraft Mayo for $4.75. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $2.75. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, crescent rolls, or biscuits. They're on sale 2 for $5. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $4. So the total for all of these items before coupons is $26.75 plus tax. So then we have the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $4 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $17.75 plus tax for all 11 items. And then we do have that $1 cash back as well. So here are some of the pictures of the Christmas clearance that was left at my store. Everything was marked 50% off except for the candy, which was still 25% off. There were lots of good things to choose from. You just have to make sure that they're ringing up correctly at the register, because when I was scanning with the app, nothing was showing up 50% off, and the sign said they would take the discount off at the register. When I went to check out with a few of the items, the person at the register did not realize they were supposed to be discounting them, so I did mention it to him. He checked the sign and he did fix the price for me. So just keep an eye on that, because I'm not sure if every store is like that, but you definitely don't want to pay full price for the Christmas clearance. So just something to keep an eye out for. All right, so that's all that I have for you this week. Hopefully you can kind of take a look at these deals, mix and match, and build a deal that works best for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. This is our first Dollar General Saturday in 2026, so Happy New Year to everyone. Be sure you're using your Dollar General app to scan all of the items you're picking up to make sure that the coupons are attaching to the correct items so you can avoid any surprises at the register. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!